What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, as you can read the title below my head, we are dropping off the RSX to paint today. Today is the day that Nami goes in for paint. Ooh, she's busted right now. Let me show you. Ooh, I'm gonna keep the grill black, so don't worry about this. I hate when these get painted, when you paint the car a different color or the same color and they paint the silver too, or whatever color you choose. Nah, keep that black always. Always. Hopefully they don't paint over it, but I got the Dept Sport side splitters off because one is clapped, so I gotta order another one. We're gonna take off the tail lights and headlights when we get to the paint shop. But yep, this is how she's going in for paint. And she ain't gonna look the same right when I get her back. That front bumper is clapped. I tried finding another front bumper before I go in for paint, but I couldn't find anything, so this will have to suffice. But this is it. This is it. Oh boy, I'm gonna miss this AC for a couple of days. This AC hit different. I swear everything hit different when you about to give it up, bro. Everything. You know what I mean? We're going on a trip to the paint shop. Oh, Nami, that's her name. Oh, Nami, that's her name. Oh, Nami, that's her name. That's her name. That's her name. One day I could be clean like this guy, even though he's slow. At least one day I could be clean like him. Last time I heard from Randy, he was on suicide watch. I gotta make sure he's straight. He still might be on suicide watch.
That's messed up.
There you go. What's up, Randy? I'm glad you're still alive, bruh. I'm glad you didn't kick the bucket. You should have been there, Sophie. This got walked 90 times. He was so sad.
I heard Fred cheated.
Well, you got walked by FRS.
I missed second and third.
You got walked by FRS.
I won all my races. You see how hurt he is? You see how hurt?
Why y'all do him like that, man?
Cause Randy do the same thing. Hey, okay.
I know what we all should do. Put it to squat.
Nah.
Let's have a race, man. Like real race.
Carve down.
Nah. Oh no.
So that's gonna solve everything. I'll be the judge. I'll be there. I'll determine.
Nah, cause Randy gonna lose again. Then he gonna throw his car off the Roosevelt. We can't afford.
Suicide mission.
All right, we are on our way to the paint shop. And put on my seatbelt. Look at that E36 right there. Ooh, that boy clean. That boy clean. I hope the color I chose comes out icy, bro. I hope this, bro. Wishful thinking, baby. Wishful thinking. Hope it come out nice. Alright, so here we are at Affordable Auto Body and Painting. This is where I got the Integra painted a couple years ago, like 2 years ago. And now I'm here to drop off my car to have them paint it. This is what I'm going with in case you guys are looking for prices. That's it, base coat clear, 2K urethane. Prices went up though. That used to be $549.95.
Yeah, I remember.
That used to be $15, and that used to be $3. Huh?
Plus body work, so price add up.
No, that's not plus body work. That's just a standalone price.
I'm just saying.
Oh yeah, my price is not. I'm not paying that price. Nah, couldn't feel much inside. I was working that thing out. But the color I was going to paint the car was going to be a Rio yellow, the S2000 yellow. But we chose a new color last minute.
Shit, icy.
It's fresh, bro.
I finally convinced him to do it.
Dog, bro? This car gonna look totally different for real, Oh man.
It's not the color I wanted.
Oh dog.
That shit gonna be wet, bro.
I can't wait, bruh.
I didn't bring a 3/8 to quarter.
That's it. All right, we're not leaving the paint shop. Car is, that's how it's gonna go. It's Rappy Raps. It's Rappy Raps. I'll see you in a couple days, Nami. All right, we out. Okay, so now that I'm back dailing the Integra for a week, we're into an issue just now. My fourth gear is scratching. I don't know why. This just happened today. But my clutch pedal feels kind of iffy, so I'm gonna bleed the slave a little bit, and hopefully that fixes my little issue I'm having. It's weird, been weird. Check fluid. Fluid's fine. Yeah, so let me just go ahead and bleed the clutch and see what's good. I'm on my street car stuff right now, dog. Street car, wangless, with the OEM bumper, like the full bumper, look pretty damn good. All right, it's time to bleed, playboy. All right, pump. Okay. Hold it. Is that a thing? All right, go drive it. And see, and just like regular, like drive. Well, Randy said the clutch feels fine. I mean, the pedal feels fine. Like it didn't change, so maybe my fourth is going. Wow, you look cool, bro. You look cool. You look cool. Randy did. I don't know. Hopefully it fixed itself. That just started happening, I guess. It started happening today. That's weird. Super weird. Oh, I left my phone in the car. Damn, my car is really not that loud. Oh no. You think the fork is broken? It's still doing it?
Yeah. Loud.
That's just, bro, it didn't do it that night on the way home. It didn't do it.
Pop that shift the selector off.
I don't, oh man, I don't want to do no more gearbox work, bro. Man.
It's only fourth gear.
This is what happens when you're poor. When we rebuilt the gearbox again, I replaced what was broken, and now fourth gear synchro seems to be clappity clap clap. It's either synchro or hub or sleep. I'm just gonna order the whole thing and then just get it done all one time.
I think it's easy. We ain't gotta press shit out.
Nope. And all I gotta do really is gonna take me 35 minutes, 40 minutes to drop it. I just gotta order everything, make sure Randy's off the following day, and then have the car back together that same day. So yeah. So we'll probably do this when you off. Oh, we can't do it this weekend. Probably next weekend. We got a party. We got a kid birthday party, playboy. Oh. So probably next weekend, I'll order all the shit I need. Start skipping fourth from now on, before I mess up anything else.
This is the daily.
Yep. I ain't got no daily now, bruh. Alright, so after an eventful day today, I'm back home, and like, bro, you ever want to work in your car? Like, you gutted your car and you want to work on your car, but you got no light. You don't want to use the iPhone light. So what you do, you install some LEDs in it, John, bruh. Ooh, it's icy. Got one underneath, 2 years. Yeah, my car dirty right now, but yes, sir. I got more lights to install too. Got these off Amazon. Yeah, so my synchro is definitely bad. I did double clutch method on the way home from the gym just now. And yeah, it doesn't grind when I double clutch. So yeah, fourth gear synchro took a doo-doo. So, God, bro. Synchro. Yay, bro. It's what happens, bro. You drive your car, you race it, you break it, and you fix it. It's a cycle. It's the cycle. These vanilla bean cream frappuccinos with Java chips with that whipped cream hit diff. What a day yesterday was, because today's a whole ass new day. What's up? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, leave a like on the video.
If you did not enjoy the video, leave a dislike on the video. Now I don't give a f. I love each and every single one of y'all. Be great. Be thankful. Be alive. Buy some merch. The RSX is dropped off for paint. My Integra is back to being clapped. If anyone has some synchros out there, brand new for K-Series for sale, please let me know. Thank you. I'd rather buy it off y'all than buy it online. So if I can put some money in y'all pockets, let me know. Thank you. But all in all, I'm excited to see how the RSX will come out of the paint booth. Oh God, I'm so excited, man. You got Any guesses of what the color could be? Comment down below. And that's it. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.